Best blackhead removal techniques. Everyone. I want to talk today about one of the most common skin problems that people face: blackheads. Blackheads are those small bumps that appear on our skin, usually on the nose, chin, and forehead. They are caused by clogged pores and can be frustrating to deal with. However, there are various techniques that you can use to remove blackheads effectively and without any discomfort. One of the best ways to get rid of blackheads is to use a gentle cleanser. Make sure that your cleanser is specifically designed for oily skin or has a high concentration of salicylic acid. Cleansing removes the dirt and oil that can clog your pores and can help prevent blackheads from forming in the first place. Another effective technique is to use a blackhead remover tool. There are various types of blackhead remover tools available in the market, such as tools made of metal, plastic, or even lasers. These tools use suction to push out the blackheads from the skin surface. If you prefer to use your fingers, you can use a gentle scrub to exfoliate your skin. However, make sure that you don't use too much scrub or go too rough on your skin, as this can cause damage. Instead, use a gentle exfoliating scrub that contains ingredients like sugar or salt. Another option is to use sheet masks. Sheet masks are face-shaped pads that contain various ingredients that can help to remove blackheads and prevent their formation in the future. Simply place the sheet mask on your face for about 15–20 minutes, and then peel it off gently to reveal fresh, clean skin. Lastly, it's essential to keep your skin well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and eating a healthy diet can help keep your skin hydrated, which can reduce the chances of blackheads forming. In conclusion, there are many effective techniques that you can use to get rid of blackheads. Remember to use a gentle cleanser, a blackhead remover tool, gentle exfoliation, sheet masks, and stay well hydrated to achieve the best results. Thanks for listening.